So what stood out for me for the Numex Blocks application was that they did hone in on that recycling opportunity to really improve the ability to recycle the product, and that they simplified their manufacturing by removing one whole process in terms of printing onto the sleeve and then applying the sleeve to the tube itself. So that process efficiency, again, anything that improves efficiency generally tends to reduce cost, which is a great outcome.
This company has detailed how they invested in a special rotary form press so that they could use that particular type of press to figure out how to print directly onto the substrate. And it was a standard polyethylene co-extrusion tube that they were using, which are not easy to print on. It's not an easy substrate, but they were able to do it. And they had a lot of control over colour, for example, so they were printing many colours, and they had to make sure that their workflow was really well controlled.
The print quality that they achieved directly onto the tube was excellent. Great colours, just excellent representation of both the branding and the imagery on the pack was wonderful.
So not only does it make it easier for post-use recycling, but the whole thing is produced in a single step. So you don't have quite such a complicated manufacturing process. It also means that you can produce the material much more quickly. And the entry, as I say, was really detailed. They explained a lot about the press, they explained a lot about the different colours that they were using, they explained a lot about the arguments for sustainability. So those are the things that made it stand out as an entry.